Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap faces in a video for absolutely free. Yes, you don't need any expensive software or paid apps. I'll guide you step by step so you can easily create realistic face swap videos. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. Now, first we have to extract the first frame from the video. For that, I'm using the frame extractor tool. Simply upload your video here. Then set the number of frames to 1 because we only need the very first frame of the video. Click extract and here it is the first frame from the video. Now simply download it. Next, head over to VVI and click new project. Right click on the canvas and add a prompt node. Then right click again and add 2 upload nodes. After that, right click once more, search for GPT Image 2 and select that model. Connect the prompt node to the GPT Image 2 node. Then connect the first upload node as the first image input. Add a second image input and connect the second upload node to it as well. Now upload the extracted frame to the first upload node and upload the reference face you want to swap into the second upload node. Paste this prompt into the prompt box. Then select the GPT Image 2 node and in the settings, choose the GPT Image 2 model. Set the quality to high for the best results. This generation costs 37 credits and VVI gives you 150 credits every month. Now simply click generate. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready and as you can see, it looks incredibly realistic. Go ahead and download it. Now head over to Oriate AI. They give you 80 free credits when you sign up, along with 30 free credits every day. You can also invite your friends to earn even more credits. Click on AI video. Then choose motion mimicry. Upload the original video first, followed by the image we just created. Then paste this prompt. From the model list, select Kling 2.6 with 720p resolution. It costs only 60 credits to generate a 10-second video. Now click generate. Within a few minutes, your video will be ready. Simply click here to download it. Hey guys, quick face swap test and honestly, look how realistic this is. Neil skin tone, the lighting, even the expressions. This is wild. If you want to use Kling motion control for free, you can watch this video next.